it's Jay with iCar-STL.com, and today I'm here with the 1990 Nissan Fairlady Z, known as the 300ZX here in the States. This car was imported from Japan. It is right-hand drive. If you love 90s Japanese cars, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We work with 3 different lenders that will help bring your dream car to your driveway. All of our lenders are listed on our website under the Financing Options tab. You can fill out an application online and have an approval in as little as 24 hours. Let's quit wasting time and let's check out this beautiful car. As I mentioned earlier, this car was imported from Japan. It is a 1990 Nissan Fairlady Z twin turbo. It is powered by a 3-liter V6, the VG30DE motor. It is an automatic transmission. It has 109,696 kilometers, which translates to 68,162 verified correct miles. It is very clean, high rating over in Japan in the auction. It has some service records. Timing belt was replaced at 55,198 kilometers. It does have the T-top roof. Has 8 Enkei 18-inch staggered wheels. The motor is 100% stock, no modifications done to it. The interior is mint condition, just has one small blemish on the driver's seat, and we'll show you that. The exterior, the paint on it is beautifully done. It could probably use a paint correction on it. It does have some swirl marks in it and stuff like that, but it looks great. This is probably the cleanest Z I have pulled out of Japan, and I've had some pretty clean ones. Let's get started and let's do a walk around of it, and then I'll show you the interior. We'll do a cold start and we'll take her for a drive. Alright, we'll start up front and we'll work our way around here on the exterior of the car. Has the red Z emblem in the middle. Not a whole lot of flaws up front. Does have some scuffs right there. It's got a little bit, some chippage here. The wheels are the Enkei's 18-inch. Not sure if I really like those wheels or not, if I'm a big fan of them, but I do have another set. If you don't like these wheels, I've got a set of 19-inch ESR wheels that are bronze. Would probably look really, really good on this car. I really like these cars because of the rear spoiler, the twin turbo spoiler on them. I just think that makes that back end look so sexy. So, just some swirls in the paint, not real bad. It does have a lot of gold flake in it. Like I said, it could probably use some paint correction on it, which would make it look like a brand new car. There is a little scratch there. Here's the other rear wheel. It's got cracked taillight and then just a little bit of taillights. Those could probably be changed. I'm not sure you'll be able to see this in the brake light, but it has Fairlady Z in the brake light. And this 300ZX lights up when the headlights are on, and I'll show you that. Stock factory exhaust. Underbody is really, really clean. Has a mark here and there. Another one right there. Here's the rear wheel. Tires are Falcon and look probably about 80% of tread, maybe 90% tread life left on them. So, newer. T-tops fit nice and snug, nice and... Windows are tinted. The front windshield is a brown tint. That's why I said I got some bronze wheels. It may really set this car off if you're interested in them. Got a scuff there. Let's do the interior here and I'll show you. Passenger side door. Power windows, locks. Dashboard is all clean. Here is some of the service records and stuff from Japan. Aftermarket floor mats. Seat that looks like nobody even sat in it. The cool thing about these cars is they got a back seat with their twin turbos. We did not. Ours were a two-seater. Automatic. T-tops do have the covers on them. This is the only bad spot this car has, is on that seat right there. But just flawless car. I mean, it's just drop dead gorgeous, this car is. Check out the trunk. Has a powered subwoofer back there. There is T-top covers or bags to put them in. It does have the slide cover for the back. Has aftermarket gauges in it. Make sure that's shut. That thing doesn't go on yet. Shut. Has aftermarket gauges. Has an oil change sticker right here. 112,000 kilometers is the next due one. So it had a fresh oil change over in Japan. Aftermarket gauges, chrome bezels. It's got a TV. Pretty cool, I know. Heat and air conditioning work on it. I'll show you the lights. All lights up red on the dash. I'll go back and I'll show you the best part about this car. The 300ZX. It lights up. I'll tell you what, the hardest thing about this job is getting these cars in and not falling in love with them. It does have HICAS on it. This would definitely be one I would keep if it was a 5-speed. Let's do a cold start on it. Alright, cold start time. Mufflers are cold. Wrong side of the car. Fires right up. See, it's cold. Oil pressure good. Tiny belt sticker. Motor nice and quiet. Windows. Mirrors. They fold in. Power mirror. A little slow, but it does work. That side is even slower, but it does work. It has a power for the automatic transmission, which puts that up there. And you can hold. Puts a light up there, which just holds gear. It does have overdrive. OD off. Power. Hold. OD off. OD on. Fan works, heat works. What do you say we take her for a drive? Alright, let's take her for a spin. Drive. Shifts smooth. Acceleration feels pretty good right now. Still warming up. Figure out how to get that TV. I may throw a DVD in it and see if it plays. It's pretty cool. Drives smooth, feels good. As I said earlier, we do work with 3 different lenders. They're listed on our website. You can fill out applications online and have an answer within 24 hours. We do trade-ins also, so if you have a trade-in you want to put towards this car or another car we have, just give us a call at the number listed below. Can get you a valuation on that. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call us or shoot us an email that's on our website. See the boost. This car actually gets up and moves pretty good. This is the drive of the 1990 Fairlady Z. Thanks for watching.